It's Oxtail Birria Tacos, friends. Let's get started. Okay, friends, here are all the ingredients that we're going to be using besides the butter beans. Ignore those. Anyway, I have put all of the dry seasonings together. I have chopped the vegetables up as you've seen in that previous little quick shot. And now I'm going to put all of that over my clean oxtails. I'm going to massage this in. I kept a little bit of it to the side, but I'm going to add that in as well. Now I'm going to add in the wet ingredients, which is the wet jerk seasoning. I'm going to add in some browning, some soy, some oil, some ketchup. And I'm going to mix all of that together. I'll probably add in the rest of the seasonings, and then I'm going to add in all of those vegetables. You guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up, I need you to go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can catch all of my videos as they come out, you guys. So anyway, I want to tell you how important it is to massage the meat, and also I'm massaging the vegetables. This is a terrific marinade for these oxtails. I will leave them in overnight to marinate. Now in the morning, I will take them out of the refrigerator, bring them to room temperature, and then I'm going to put them on the smoker. It's going to go kind of quickly, you guys, but I have the smoker set at 250, and I'm going to leave them out there for about 2 hours. I will tell you that these will not tenderize on the smoker. You would have to basically cook them first and then put them on the smoker. Anyway, I'm preparing the peppers, as you can see here. I soften them in some hot water, and then I put them in a blender. So you've seen how wonderful they came out looking, the oxtails. Anyway, so now I'm gonna burn the sugar, which is oil and sugar, and then you just heat it until it gets very dark. If you do not want to do this, you can skip this whole process. You can just go ahead and add your oxtails to the pan. You can add in the beef broth and a little bit of water and all those vegetables that were left over, and add in some brown seasoning. The browning is the same as this. If you want to just add that in there, you can. And so I'm adding back in the oxtails. Now, while they're cooking, it's going to take at least 3 to 4 hours for them to break down and get softened. This is a slow process of cooking. So now you see me adding in the beef broth. I will also add in all the vegetables, and I will also add in that wonderful peppers that you see me blend up earlier. And this is what it looks like before I put the lid on, and there you go. I'll let it cook. So that was the ingredients I need to make the tacos. I use quesadilla quesadilla cheese, you guys. And then I also have the onions and some cilantro out there. So I deboned, I took all the meat off the oxtails. I have some of that wonderful broth. I'm moving around the corn tortillas in the taco. I'm gonna put them in some oil. I'm gonna fry them. I'm gonna add in the cheese, and I'm gonna add in the wonderful oxtail meat. And then, you know, and I'm gonna add in some onions and cilantro if you want to. I think on this one I just did onions because my daughter didn't like the cilantro, but I usually do onions and cilantro for me, and for me it's onions and cilantro, and the picture is gonna show that too. So anyway, you guys, here are those birria tacos. Please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think if you make this, and these are so dynamite. You and your family are going to love them. They are going to be a favorite, and you will find yourself making them often, like me. So anyway, you guys, leave your comments, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.